Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure route shipping notifications using ShipEngine, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure route shipping notifications using ShipEngine, start by logging into your ShipEngine account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section on the dashboard. Locate the API keys tab within the account settings. Here, you will need to create a new API key if you haven't done so already. Click on the Create API Key button. Name the API key something intuitive, like route integration. Now, click on Save to generate and display your new API key. Next, access the route platform by logging into your route account. After logging in, find the Integrations section on the left-hand menu. In the Integrations section, look for ShipEngine and select it. Here, you will need to enter the API key you generated from ShipEngine. Paste the API key into the designated field and click Connect. Once connected, navigate to the Notifications settings within the route. In the Notifications settings, enable the Shipping Notifications option. You will now configure the notification templates to align with your branding. Customize the subject line and message body as needed for your customers. Make sure to include dynamic fields for personalized notifications. Now, set the notification triggers based on your shipping lifecycle. These can include order shipped, out for delivery, and delivered notifications. Test the notification system by processing a sample order. Verify that the notifications are sent correctly to both you and your customer. If all functions correctly, you are set up. Keep an eye on your notifications for any further adjustments or improvements. Regularly check the integration in case of any updates from ShipEngine or Route. Ensure your team is informed of this new setup for better customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.